Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I did this natural glowy look, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So for today's glowy look, we'll be using the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the color Sunbeam, and we'll be mixing this with our foundation. And for foundation, I'll be using my favorite number 7 Airbrush Away foundation in the color Cool Beige. And then I'll blend all of that with my e.l.f. foundation brush. So for concealer, we'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. And I'll be using Bare Minerals Coverage Concealer. And to blend my concealer, I'll be using my Beauty Blender with some Fix Plus. So I'll just do a little bit of my concealer, but the rest of my face I won't. And the setting powder that I'll be using is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the color Transparent. And for eyebrows, I'll be using the Beige Day and Night 60 Eyeshadow Color Palette. And then I'll just be using this dark brown color right here. And then I'm just going to top it with 2 coats of my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Great Lash Blackest Black. And to bronze our face a little bit, I'll be using the Sephora MicroSmooth Baked Bronzer Duo in the color Honey Heat. But we'll be using this side right here. And then I'll go back with my beauty blender and remove the powder underneath our eyes. And to add a little bit more highlight, I'll be using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in the color Moonstone. And then for lips today, I'm going to top it off with a Borghese lip gloss in the color Latte. To finish our look, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And here is the finished look. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.